Hello, kids! Do you want to see something cool today?
Yes, we do! We do! Yay!
Okay, off to the army camp we go. Hurry up! Now don't be slow! What do you see, kids?
We see a tank!
Yes, indeed! In the army camp, he is top rank. Hello, Mr. Tank. What do you do?
I protect the country and our border too.
Look, there's the army truck. Hello, army truck. How are you doing?
Hello, Bob. I have to deliver goods to the soldiers, so I must get going.
Hi, ambulance. You do look tired.
Hey, Bob. That's because I'm always required.
What do you do all through the day?
I help carry the wounded soldiers away.
Such a great job.
Yes, Mr. Bob!
What's that coming out of the water? A minute ago, it could hardly be seen.
Hi there, Bob. I am Mr. Submarine. My name means under the sea. Both inside and outside the water, I can be. Hello, Submarine. Hello, Bob. How do you do?
Greetings, Mr. Navy. Have you been sailing the water blue?
Yes, we sail on the sea and keep safe the coast.
And that's certainly something of which you can boast. Look out there. That's an aircraft carrier.
Oh yes, that I am. Hello, my dear. I am the military's base on the sea. All these aircrafts, all alone, I carry.
Here comes the fighter aircraft. Oh my!
I fly very high, so I can protect the sky.
Look up. That's a transport helicopter. What do you do?
Hello, Bob. How do you do? I carry troops through the air and take them places far or near.
Here comes the bomber. Watch out, kids.
Whoa!
Hello, Bob. My name is Bomber, and my enemies fear me. My bombs can destroy all targets on the land or in the sea.
Hi, armored personnel carrier. What have you got concealed?
Hello. I am carrying military forces to the battlefield. Hi, Bob. How are you?
Hello, helicopter. What do you do?
I am a lot like the army truck, and I give everyone a helping hand. My job is to connect areas difficult to reach by land.
Kids, look there. Which army transport is that? Can you guess?
Fighter aircraft? Jeep? Helicopter? Oh, please tell us!
No, that's an army hovercraft. Oh, goodness me, here it comes.
I can drive on any kind of surface, and I go where there are big problems.
Look over there, kids. Here comes the army jeep.
Hi, Bob. I can easily drive over rough roads, no matter how high or deep.
Kids, I hope at the army camp you had fun. Bye-bye now. I have got to run.